Hey, Michael Mayhew here. I'm with you today to talk about my graduate project for the IEM program at UAB. For my project, I decided to launch a hosting company, ChainHost. As part of that project, I wanted to create and develop a fully automated hosting platform. What in the world is a fully automated hosting platform? We'll get to that. The three main topics I want to cover with you today are: why did I decide to launch a hosting company? What is ChainHost and what does it offer? And where is ChainHost going in the near future? Simple enough, right? Let's begin. I decided to launch a hosting company because of the complaints I was hearing from all the big options out there. GoDaddy, HostGator, HostMonster. I hear the same thing about all of them all the time. You go to sign up for a hosting plan. Their packages look great. Price is affordable, very feature rich. You get halfway through the sign up phase and it's trying to upsell you on $80 worth of add-ons that you're not sure if you need or not. You're not even sure what these add-ons do. So you do one of two things, right? You either cancel out of frustration and call a friend who's technical and say, I really need some help here, or you just continue on blindly, not really knowing if you're doing what you're supposed to be doing. Either way, it should not be that complicated. It definitely should be more simple, and that's why we're here. Now let me tell you a little bit about what ChainHost offers. It offers the three most common hosting products you see out on the internet. They may be named a little different, they may be marketed a little different, but trust me, they're the same. The first thing we offer is shared hosting. The second is VPS, virtual private servers. The third is dedicated servers. I'm going to give you a very brief, high-level overview of each. Shared hosting. That's what you want if you didn't understand the other two. It is the basic hosting plan. It gives you some space on the internet to host your website. It gives you a front-end panel where you can upload your files, manage your website. It gives you email accounts. You can have many different email accounts. You can even host multiple websites off one plan. You can have mikescoolshoes.com or joesblog.com all under the same plan. That's shared hosting. VPS hosting, virtual private servers. Say you need to actually host applications. Well, a virtual private server is a Linux-based virtual server that gives you full root access to the server, to the file system. You have complete control. You can install any applications, remove any applications, run whatever you want to. It's just a virtualized environment, so the resources are a little less of what a dedicated server would be. Let's get into the dedicated server. That is a physical computer, a physical server in a data center that you have complete access to. So you can install any operating system you want, any software, and what this would be for a very robust web application, a website that gets an insane amount of traffic, etc. So those are the three base services we're offering. Now I'm going to give you kind of a high-level overview of our architecture, and we're going to get into this fully automated hosting platform I mentioned before. I'm going to put a few diagrams on your screen and give you a brief description of each. What you're seeing right now is a very high-level architecture, hardware architecture overview. That server you see up in the top left, carl.chainhost.com, that is a physical server that we have in the data center. Now remember that name, Carl. That's going to come in handy in the end. I'm going to give you a chance to win a hosting plan for life. So installed on that hardware is OpenVZ. That's the virtualization technology that allows us to emulate servers or have virtual servers. One of those virtual servers is a ChainHost virtual server named Connie. Remember that name as well. It's going to help you in the end. So what Connie has installed in that virtual server is cPanel. That's the shared hosting software. If you're a shared hosting customer, your website is actually living on Connie. Now why don't we make Connie a virtual server that lives on Carl instead of making Connie a dedicated server? Well, it's much easier to back up. If we ever have a problem with Carl, I can migrate Connie to another hardware node in a matter of minutes and have all of our websites back up and running. It's a scalable, supportable model. The other two servers you see on here is dale.chainhost.com and bill.chainhost.com. These are virtual servers we have with other providers to allow off-site services. You always want to have offsite DNS somewhere else and offsite backups. That's what this is. The next diagram you're going to see is the order process. This is going to give you a look into this automated hosting platform I keep referring to. So a customer places an order. That's you on the website. You say, I want this hosting plan. Let's go to the left. Say you chose a shared hosting plan. Once you put in all your information and your payment information and you hit submit, it's going to do a fraud check. If that fraud check determines your order is not a fraudulent order, it's going to attempt to process the payment. If that payment is approved, it is actually going to create your account in cPanel and email you all your account information. This is a complete hands-off model on our side. That way you get your plan immediately, and it's much more scalable and manageable from our point of view. It's the same thing on the right side for the VPS plan. There's one more step at the end because virtual servers are a little bit more robust, but you get the idea. The next diagram you see is a software overview that we use. You can see it's a layered approach. You have Connie that lives on Carl. We talked about that before. Again, remember these names: Carl, Connie, Bill, and Dale. And the software that runs on our main website is we have WHMCS for our billing and support system. We use LiveZilla for our online chat system. We use PayPal to process credit cards. We use MaxMind for our fraud service, and we use enom.com to register domain names. You can Google any of these names. They are the industry standard. They are the best at what they do. They are secure. They are definitely top tier. Now that you know what ChainHost.com is and what we do, let me tell you what we believe. You'll notice our slogan: guaranteed resources with exceptional service. What does that mean? Well, the exceptional service part is self-explanatory. That's what you hope to get with any company. But guaranteed resources, let's talk about that for a brief second. If you go to sign up at HostGator, HostMonster, they'll offer you unlimited resources, unlimited disk space, unlimited bandwidth. That doesn't exist, guys, I promise you. That's them hoping that you don't use a lot of disk space or resources. Well, what happens if you start to use a lot? They'll hit you with a fair share policy and say, you're using more than your fair share, we have to suspend your account. It's not very fair to the customer, and it's honestly not very fair to the company. Let me explain. When you purchase a plan from ChainHost, the resources are laid out very clearly. We give you a very generous amount of disk space, a very generous amount of bandwidth. This is very fair to you because you know exactly how much you have, and you can plan to grow and scale based on these numbers. It also helps us as a company. It tells us when we can scale and when we can grow and when we need to add more servers. It's just a fair policy. It makes sense. Lastly, let me tell you about our affiliate system we are in the process of launching. This is something we are very excited about. The way this is going to work is web designers or web developers can sign up on our website as an affiliate. When a customer comes to them and needs a website or a web application developed but doesn't have a place to host it, the web designer or web developer can recommend their partner, ChainHost.com, and pass along to the customer their affiliate ID. When the customer signs up using this affiliate ID, the customer immediately receives 10% off the life of the plan. What also happens in the background is that affiliate gets 10% of the revenue from any customers that they send our way for the lifetime of the customer. So this is a huge win-win to the customer and to the web designer and for ChainHost. Okay, do you remember those server names I asked you to remember earlier? The first person to comment on this video and give me the television show that those names were chosen from will win a lifetime economy shared hosting plan. Good luck. That summarizes the video. If you have any questions, please go to our website, chainhost.com, and send us a message. Thanks. Have a great day.